I'm not going to lie, we love our Teen Co floor steamer. It has gotten our floors cleaner than we were ever able to do with a mop because a mop just pushes dirty water around. This vacuums up the dirty water. And look at this nastiness. The cleanest our floors have ever been. But there's some things that the Teen Co can't do. It does an amazing job on tile or wood floors, but it can't do some other stuff that we need cleaned. So we got this Puit's Golf Steamer. It's a handheld steam cleaner, and it comes with a bunch of attachments and instructions that shows you how to use this. Best to use filtered water in all your steamers to get the best results. You don't want any of that chlorine and stuff that's in water or heavy metals. So use filtered water. It comes with a bunch of attachments, including this little metal brush. Looks kind of dangerous, and some alien looking things. So you plug it in and it immediately starts to heat up. There's no on-off switch. And you just put the attachment on and it heats up really quickly. There's a big heater in there. And you just press this button on the back when you want it to release steam. It's completely safe. And you can steam your shirts instead of ironing. Look at this. It did such a good job. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get the creases out of where the buttons are. See how it's kind of folded up and kind of knobby there? But it does a great job without the hassle of pulling out an ironing board. And look at this. It even took out the creases in the buttons. I was like, wow, I can't believe this. This is next level. I have another steamer that won't do this, but the power of this guy is able to do this kind of work, and I'm just really, really blown away by that. But that's not all it can do, okay? I can't do this with my Teen Co. Takes out the wrinkles without having to bust out your ironing board. So you take off this attachment, and I wanted to put this on. I got this little spot underneath my shower door I can never get to. There's nothing that'll reach back there. I don't know what it is, rust or something. It's been down there for a couple of months, been really bothering me. But this nozzle attachment, look at that, took it right out, just with water. No dangerous chemicals. Hot, steamy water, took it out, cleaned that thing right up. Now I took the sock off for the steamer for the clothes, and you put it on this thing, and watch what this does. This will actually clean your windows with steam. Again, no wind ducts, no chemicals, no streaking, no smearing, and it does an amazing job taking those bug guts, especially on the outside windows. We had all kinds of stuff on there caked off. This ate right through it. Amazing. My window's never been that clean. Puit's Golf. It's an amazing tool, and I think you'll be as blown away as we are.